Alright guys, so we got an in for YZ490. It's 1988. We traveled all day long to go get this bike. The guy used to race with it, so it got a couple mods, race tech shot. It's got the head mod on it, brand new NOS tank, just a couple of rides on it, and it came with a complete 1983. It's all parted out, but yeah, it came with a complete 1983. So yeah, we'll take it out the truck and show you everything. So here it is. That bike is a beast. A guy contacted us on Facebook and said he had an 88 for sale with another 83 in parts. So yesterday we traveled all day long and went to find that, pick up that 88, and we brought it to the shop. So now we got 283, 188, full of 83 parts. So yeah, my plan is I'll sell the 83 YZ490s to finance the 88 I just bought. So we'll take out the 83 I got here, bring it to the shop, work a bit of them, and put both 83 for sale. So here it is, guys. Yeah, so the YZ490 is on the fourth row, so we got a lot of bikes to take out of the container. Good, so all the bikes are now at the shop. We got the 1983 right here. That's the first one I bought 2 years ago. As you can see, it's pretty rough. It's got an 88 pipe on it, we know, because on the other 83 you got it on the left side, and the 88 it's on the right side, and you can see it's far away from the engine there, just enough to burn your knees on it. So yeah, that was the first project we had. I plan to restore this one. I bought some parts for it already. I bought all the plastics for it. I got the filters. It was missing the airbox, so I bought a complete airbox on eBay. Found the cage on another bike I parted out. The clutch cover was welded on. It's welded on this one, so that's a clutch cover from a 19250. Supposed to be the same cover, so yeah, I kept this one for this project. But as it turned out, I'll just sell it. I'll just sell it to finance the 88. I even have, right here, I got all the stickers for 90. And the best part, got the tank stickers from Evo MX. They'll go on this one. That's the bike I bought last week. When I bought it, I planned to keep this one and sell this one. As it turned out, 2 days later, I received the 88. I went to pick it up, so now I'm selling both 83s and keeping the 88. So yeah, all the nice stuff will go on this bike. We'll make it look nice, just a slight minor restoration on it, and sell it for, try to get a good price on it, and we'll sell the rough one as a project. So for, don't know how much I'll get for it, but yeah. So here's what we'll do on this one. All the plastic are painted, so I'll put the new plastics on it, and the painted plastic will go on this one to make it easier to sell. All the stickers, the new seat cover will all go on this one. It's got a couple problems. The front rim is bent right here. It's got a flat spot right there. Tires look nice. Everything works. It's supposed to be functional. Not started it yet. Don't know why the exhaust only has one spring on it. Probably supposed to be a bracket or something over there to attach the other springs. Missing the rubber strap for the boost bottle. All chucks are good. Rear chuck filling is nice. Front chuck not leaking anything. So yeah, that part of the bike looks pretty nice. The frame over here took a hit, so the rear fender we can't attach it to the frame. So we need to find a way to repair that. The exhaust look really nice, no kink, anything, no dent on it. The exhaust is very nice. I don't have the chain, so I'll put 2 sprocket and a new chain on it. So yeah, it's just minor stuff. It's pretty decent, pretty solid bike. And now we have the 88, which is for sure the nicest machine of all three. The guy that owned this bike, he raced it. So yeah, he put a lot of money on it. It's got race tech, rear chuck, gold valves, all race tech front and rear suspensions. He put a pro circuit on it with an FMF pipe. When he bought the bike, the fuel tank was all yellowed like they all do. He found this fuel tank, which was a NOS tank. He bought it for $600. He told me, and then put in this bike. So yeah, that's why it looks nice like that. It's a very low hour machine. When he rebuilt the motor, he put an hour counter on it, and he did 35.6 hours on it. According to him, the first owner did 50 hours. So yeah, this bike got under 100 hours. It's all original. Even the seat cover is original, so that's why it's got the little tear right there. So yeah, pretty happy with this bike. That's the one we'll just do some minor work on it. Strip it down, paint the frame, change the foot pegs, just make it a little bit more original. I'll remove all those little levers and put original stuff on it and make it a showpiece. When I bought this bike, the guy had a lot of parts to go with it. Alright, so those are all parts that came with the 88. The guy had an almost complete 83. There's an engine right there. This is a 1988 YZ490 rear end. He planned to swap a disc brake on the rear, but did not do it. This is his old crankcase. Transmission, he had a problem with it. It's probably repairable, so I'll keep it. All of this is for sale, so if you see anything you need, just let me know. I got 2 clutch covers. This is a WR500 head, brake lever, boost bottle strap, exhaust hangers, 2 clutch. That's a used piston. I got NOS parts over there. One of the nice NOS parts is the boots for the gearbox, and I got a brand new boost bottle. And right here, a brand new intake manifold, and he put grease on it so the rubber stays soft. I also have a new seat cover now put on it. On the other side here, most of the NOS parts are smaller stuff like gaskets and bearings, but yeah, those the 3-piece I showed you, they're the nicest one. I got brand new CDI right here, brand new coil, some brake pads. I also have the brake pads for the front end for the caliper. 2 triple clamps. This is the original exhaust for the 88, but yeah, it's got a dent right there. got 4 carburetors, couple twist throttles, and yeah, pretty much a lot of stuff in there. I got a 5-speed and a 4-speed transmission. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you need anything YZ490 related, I probably have it. I also have another complete 83 motor in my back store. So especially engine parts, if you need anything, I'm sure I have it. Okay, so we're done working on the bike. We put new plastics on it. There's nobody makes a kit for that by the YZ490's 83. So if I remember right, we got a mix of VMX plastic, UFO, and Myers to get a complete kit. Everything's on there. We put a new seat cover, changed the shifter, new chain. On the other side, we put the missing springs on there, and there was an exhaust bracket that was missing, so that's there too. So here, that brake pedal was all wobbly, so yeah, we fixed that. Fixed over here, adjusted the brake, front and rear. So yeah, now it's more of a sellable bike. So just looking for a new home. And while working on this one, we sold the rough bike. So yeah, we only have to sell this one now. So yeah, one final step before we can sell it. So let's start it up.